Hello, everybody at Air Services. My name is Jose, and today I'm going to give you guys 3 tips that we promised you guys. I believe we spoke to Melissa about sending you guys this video, so here it is as promised. Um, these tips you will be able to implement yourselves, so they should be, but they're a major thing to start uh, dominating in your area. So let's not waste any more time and get to it. So first of all, guys, I always recommend about 1,500 words, depending on your competition. Beating them out in content, and that's just words and your images. And um, you want to have your words full of these keywords, right? And with as powerful as your website is, you should be dominating more areas more easily. But it seems like something is lacking in the SEO part. And I will kind of, well, I don't want to elaborate too much. I don't want to get too technical, but you guys can be reaching a lot more areas, uh, and should be, than you are right now. So that's number one, guys, is the content. The content that you have, put about 1,500 words on your front page, because Google loves content, search engines love content, and fill it with more keywords. Like, for example, this image right here. As you can see, it's saved under nothing important, but you could save it as a keyword. Save it under uh, HVAC Springfield, heater Springfield, AC Springfield, Missouri. So those are your keywords you want to save it under, and that you can do that to all your images. That way you can Google, when Google crawls your website, they can see all those keywords, and you can start ranking better for them. So this right here is the strength of your website, and this is the strength of your front page. This is your overall strength of your website, which is pretty good. But like I said, with that strength, you should be dominating a lot more keywords, a lot more surrounding areas. So, I mean, I guess unless you're not looking for more work, then I guess you're fine there. But number two, the second thing I wanted to give you guys is backlinks to get this DR up. You kind of want to get them equal. So you want to target higher quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are built the same. So what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours, to your website. So you want higher quality backlinks to get this, because if you have your backlink on a very powerful website, then some of that power gets transferred onto yours. If you have your backlink on a weak or spammy website, then it'll pull your scores down. Okay, so that's the second thing I wanted to give you guys. The third thing is the map pack here. The way you get on this map pack is citations. You want to get um, about 20 or 30 more citations than your competitors have. And what a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed on an online directory, such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com. You can find a lot of free ones, but you can also find a lot of high quality ones that may ask for a little subscription fee, but sometimes worth it. So those are 3 things I wanted to give you guys, 3 tips that you can actually implement yourself. Uh, but it just takes a lot of time. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to reach me at 806-268-7118. You guys have a great day.